Good morning, students. Your attendance is captured and I'm sharing my screen. We are going to discuss 2011 Navodaya question paper. So first we are going to start with mental ability. Part 1. There are 4 figures A, B, C, D. Out of these 4 figures, 3 figures are similar but 1 figure is different. Spot out the different figure and put a circle on the serial letter of the number. So that is odd one out. So 3 figures are similar and 1 is different. So why it is different we have to identify. So here in option A there are 2 similar figures. In option C there are 2 similar figures. In option D there are 2 similar figures, but in option B there is only 1 figure. So that is option B is correct. And next one. Second one. So one symbol, one symbol, one symbol, and here we have 2 symbols. Option D. Third one. So let's count the number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. And here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines are there. So we can go for in every circle diameter is given passing through the center. Yes, every circle is having a diameter. And the number of lines 4, 3, 5, and is it 6? No, sorry, this is 7. So except option A, all the other options are having odd number of lines. So odd one out will be option A. Next 2 questions. Fourth one. Outer figure is having 4 sides and inner figure is having 3 sides. Here outer one 2 and inner one, sorry, outer one 3, inner one 4. Outer one 5 sides, inner one 4 sides. Outer one 6 and inner one 6. So what is the common relationship? 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 minus 1 is 4, 6 minus 1 is 5. But here it is reversely given. That is option B. That is odd one out is B. Fifth one. So you can see clearly by rotating this figure, we get option A, option B, and option C. All of them can be formed by rotating, but option D is different. So this is odd one out. So students, in this part, any doubts you have, you can raise a hand. So this is very simple. Shanvit, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Shanvit.
third question, why can't be, sir?
I can't. Third question. See, 3, 5, 7, all are odd numbers. So option A is having even number. That is the only odd one out. Okay. Okay, Shanvit.
Okay, sir.
Mayuk, what is your doubt? Mayuk?
Sir,
Yes, Mayuk.
sir, I have doubt in third question.
Yeah, third question. Every other circle is having odd number of lines. But option A, there are even number of lines. That's why it is odd. Odd one out.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Aditi, Aditi, what is your doubt? Aditi, you are not audible to me. Leave the class and join again. Vedashree, Vedashree, what is your doubt?
Sir, I did not understand third question.
Third question I told you several times. You count the number of lines: 4 lines, 3 lines, 5 lines, and 7 lines. X 3 is odd number, 5 is odd number, 7 is odd number, but 4 is even number. So the only odd one out is option A, right?
Sir, this is odd one out now, sir. You did in sir max, sir.
I hope you
So
understand the number of lines I counted, and we can find even and odd. The only number is even, that is option A. Vilochan, Vilochan, what is your doubt? Vilochan, you are not audible. Aditi,
sir,
yes, Aditi.
sir, third option D is eight lines, sir.
No, count properly. There are 7 lines. Ritvik, Ritvik, what is your doubt?
Sir, third question we can say gaps also. Option A is correct, Anna.
Look, by gaps, we cannot do that. You just count the number of lines. It is clearly difference is found. Now, part 2. Is part 2. Directions for question 6 to 10. There is a given problem figure. There are 4 answer figures A, B, C, D. You have to find out the answer figure which is similar to the given problem figures. Encircle the serial letter of the correct answer. So it is similarity. So exactly similar one we have to find out. So I can see exactly related to the question figure is option B. So this part is very simple. Just identify the option which is exactly same as the question figure. Seventh one, triangle, circle, rectangle, star, and this. I can see in option A, this is darken, so that is not the answer. In option B, everything is matching. Option C, circle is missing. And option D, the rectangle is shaded. So they are the differences. And option B is exactly matching. Eighth one. So clearly we can see option D is correct. And ninth one, option A is correct. And one more question in this part. Yes, this one. Clearly we can see option A is similar one. So I think this part is very simple and you would have no doubts, but still doubts are there. Aditi,
Sir,
yes, Aditi?
sir, it's the seventh question.
Which question?
Seventh question.
Please tell me.
Sir, in option B, the rectangle is touching the line by.
No, there is only a small adjustment in the figure formation, but it is exactly matching. But remaining options, clearly we can see the difference, right?
Yes, sir.
Going to the next part, part 3. Let's go through the directions first. Directions for question number 11 to 15. There is a problem figure, a part of which is missing. Observe the answer figures A, B, C, D and find out the answer figure which is without changing the direction. So direction should not be changed. Fits in the missing part of the problem figure in order to complete the pattern in the problem figure. This is figure completion. So you have to complete the figure pattern without rotation. Yes, first one, what completes the given pattern? So you can clearly see that these two diagonally opposite ones are exactly matching each other. And this one to match exactly diagonally opposite, we have that in option A. And 12th one, so 12th one, if you want, you can draw also. Just draw a line to complete the square. And by following the same pattern, we can extend this line here. You can extend this line here. And here you can connect it to the diagonal, to the corner like this. So it is clearly, we can see that in option B. And 13, 14, and 15. Yes, 13th one. So these two are symmetrical. These two parts, we can find that they are having mirror images of each other. So this part, we try to draw the mirror image. So it is going to be like this, and like this. So it is seen in option A. And 14th one, you try to complete the figure. First complete this square, then draw this line and connect to the center like this. So this is seen in option D. And 15th one, 15th one, these two are mirror images of each other. Try to draw the mirror image of this. So it's going to be a line like this, and this will be extending towards here, and this will be extending towards this side like this. Okay, so 15th one, option A is correct. So this part, you have any doubts, you can raise a hand. Sharath, what is your doubt? Sharath?
Sir,
Yes, Sharath.
sir, in 14th option E, sir.
Why option E?
Sir, in option D, in the square, line is not there.
Ah, yes, I didn't see that. So we want the line also, right? Yes. So this is wrong. We are going with E. None of the option is matching. So we are going with option E. Why? Because in the question figure, these lines are there, but in option D, it's not visible. So we're going with E for this. Okay, Sharath, good.
Sir,
Okay, Sharath, you raise a hand again. I will give you choice. Sahasra.
sir, Sharad asked that only.
Okay. Chemistry.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it is the question not B, sir.
Come again. Which question?
Sir, 15th question. Sir, it's option B, sir.
Question number 12 or 13?
15.
15, you are saying option B.
Yes, sir.
No, not B. You can see the direction. It should be like that. And direction also, it's completely different. Okay. So you can see that these two should be mirror images of each other. So the dot should be this side, not on the other side. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sharath, you can raise your hand again. Karthik, what is your doubt?
Sir, 12th, sir.
Why 12th E?
Sir, in B option that is smaller.
No, first I told you already, most appropriate answer you can see. Okay. So while they are giving in the option, the size may be different, but the pattern is same in option B. Vilochan, Vilochan, what is your doubt?
Sir, in 12th question, sir, B is very smaller, na, sir.
So in the given options, most appropriate one we have to choose. The pattern is similar in option B. Okay. Aditi,
Sir,
Sarath, you are trying to give some answer, but I removed the permission. You can raise your hand again. You can ask. Aditi,
sir, 15th one I didn't understand.
15th one, you can find the mirror image of this. Okay. See, let me draw the mirror image again. See, first the line will be like this, and this part will be going on the other side. Here it will come. And this part will be going to the inner side like this. So this is clearly seen in option A, right?
Yes, sir.
Satvik, what is your doubt?
15th question, we have to check diagonal to diagonal.
Come again, diagonal to?
Diagonal. We have to check.
Yeah, even in diagonal to diagonal, you have to check. See, if you want to check diagonal method also. So what is the relationship between these two? Are they mirror images or simply as it is they're coming?
That's simply as it is.
So similarly, this one also you take as it is and it will be there in option A. Okay.
Okay.
Anuvijay? Anuvijay?
So,
What is your
sir,
doubt?
12th one.
10th one, previous part.
So, 12th.
12th one. Yes, 12th one, I have drawn the shape now. So it is the same pattern is seen in option B.
So, B is smaller.
Yeah, that's what I was saying to other students also. The most appropriate option of the given options will be B. Going to the next one, part 4. Question number 16 to 20. There are problem figures and the question mark for fourth figure. The problem figures are in a series. So this is series completion. Find out one figure among the answers figures which occupies the question mark for the fourth figure which completes the series. So this is series completion. Sixteenth one. So what is the pattern they are following? That means the circle is moving to the right and from there it moved to the right again and from here it has to move out. So it's going to be option D. So the circle's movement is from west to east. Slowly it's moving right and finally it will go out of that figure. That is option D. 17th one. 17th question. So what is happening in this? So comparing to this part and this part, there is only one difference, that is this part increased. And comparing this one and this one, so there is only one difference, this part increased. So the next part we expect to increase like this. So everything is increasing in the same order. So you want the next figure to be like this. First draw the figure as it is. So this is the figure they have given. And in this, for the next line, if you increase one line, it is going to be like this. So it is going to be option D is correct. 18th one. 18th question is, so find the pattern what they are following. So first let us count the number of sides for the polygon. 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides. So definitely we want 6-sided polygon, that is hexagon. So option A is eliminated, B is eliminated, and D is having a curve. So that is also eliminated. So only option C is left. But inside we have plus sign is getting continued. So option C. Option C is correct. 19th one. Yes, 19th one. What is a pattern? So let us concentrate on each figure separately first. First I am concentrating on the square. So square for the first time, it is there in which direction? Northwest. And from there it went to southwest. That means it is moving 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. Then it is going southeast. And where do you expect next? Northeast. So it's going to be this corner. And now the circle. Circle's position is here. First it is in southeast, then it is going to east. That means it is not rotating 90 degrees every time. So again it is anti-clockwise direction, but the square rotated 90 degrees. This circle is going only 45 degrees at a time. So from southeast to east. Next, east again it went to, it is there in east only. Okay. So where do you expect it next? I hope it should be in that corner, then it will be going. So I think there is a mismatch in the question. The circle should be here. Then in the next step, it can go to something like option D will be correct. So the question is wrongly given. Why? Because the circle should be given on the corner. So here there is no pattern for the circle because circle is moving here, and from here there is no movement seen. The circle should be given here. It's not the place here. So there is no pattern followed by the circle. We are going with option E for this. And 20. Yes, 20th question. It's a clear pattern. So every time one arrow mark is getting increased, 1, 2, 3. Next we want fourth one. So if you fill the fourth one, then it is going to be 4 arrow marks going in the clockwise direction. So you'll be getting option A. In option C also 4 arrow marks are there, but they are going in anti-clockwise direction. So it's option A. Students, doubts in this part, you can raise your hand. Cyber, then what is your doubt?
Sir, in 19th question,
Yes. Do you find any pattern for the circle?
sir, I think, sir, yes, sir.
What is the pattern?
Sir, circle is in, sir, circle is in southeast,
Okay.
and next pattern is in east,
Yes.
and next pattern also in east.
Okay. What is the movement? See, series
Sir,
must be 1 minute, Cyber. Then series must be, a pattern should be followed in every step, right? So you can clearly see that from first step to second step, it is moving 45 degrees anti-clockwise. So same pattern should be followed in the next step also. Series means first to second, second to third, third to fourth. In every consequent step, the pattern should be followed. But here in the question, the circle should be printed here. Then it will be exactly correct. Then we would have been chosen option D will be correct. But here circle is given in the same place. So is there any pattern followed from second figure to third figure?
sir, but it is similar. Next step also is similar.
No, but why change it from first to second? So second
Okay,
to
sir.
second you are saying similar, right? That means first to second also similar. Same pattern should be followed from first to second. What happened? Second to third should be the same change. third to fourth should be the same change. So the only difference is while printing the paper, the circle should be given on the what we say northeast position. Then it will be correct. That's why option E presents in this question.
Okay, sir.
Charvika, what is your doubt?
Yes, sir.
Charvika, what is your doubt?
16th one.
You want 16th one, Charvika?
Sir, 16th one E.
Why 16th one E? The circle is moving slowly to the right, right? So from there it can go out option D.
So no, sir.
Why? What do you think? Why it is E?
Sir, square,
Yeah.
line, circle.
See, circle from here it is moving right. From here it is moving right, and from here it should again move right. So it will be there in option D. Aditi,
Sir,
yes.
sir, 18th one. Sir,
18th,
in 19th.
18th
Sir,
one is very simple.
sir, I know, sir. In the option there is option A square, option B. I think.
You don't know a polygon having five sides. What is it called?
Sir,
You are not revising the notes. Yesterday also I told you revise all the chapters again and again. You don't know the name of the polygon having five sides. What do you call it?
sir,
You're not revising the notes. That is a problem. Pentagon.
sir, option B in the question pentagon is there. In
No.
option B, pentagon is half. In option C, hectagon is there, sir.
This is
Sir,
correct. Option D is wrong. In the question figures, all are having sides, but there is a curve. It's very simple. Don't complicate it. Ramlikit. Ramlikit.
Sir,
Yes, Ramlikit. What is your doubt?
sir, option, 18th one option D, D, D not to, not, sir.
D is wrong. Why? Because in D, see in this question figures, everything is a straight line, right? But here, this part is given curve. That's why it is wrong. All should be straight lines. That is there in option C. Okay, Ramlikit.
Okay, sir.
Rutvik, what is your doubt? Vedashri, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why? Sir, in the 17th question, I did not understand, sir.
17th question, slowly the parts are getting improved. Okay, you can see from first figure to second figure what happened. Only this part increased, right?
Yes, sir.
From second to third, what happened? This part increased, right?
Yes, sir.
From third to fourth, here one part should increase. So I have drawn the figure here. That is matching in option D. Rutvik? Rutvik?
Sir, 16th one doubt, sir.
16th one, yes.
Sir, sir, why not be E, sir?
Why are you thinking E? Tell me first.
Sir, 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 circle is there in corner, sir. Then third one go out, na, sir.
First of all, you just tell me the pattern is circle is slowly moving to the right. Okay, as it is moving to the right, then different steps it is given. So from third figure, if it is moving out, then option D will be correct. Vishwajit, yes.
so 19th one is C, na?
19th one, no, 19th one is actually the question only wrong. This circle place is not given correctly. Why do you think it is C?
Sir,
See, in the next step also, if you want the circle to be staying there, but why it changed from here to here? There should be explanation, right?
yes, sir.
You don't have explanation for that. That's why in the question, suppose if the circle is given there, then we would have chosen option D.
Okay, sir.
Shanvit,
Sir,
yes.
sir, I am doubt in 16th one, sir.
Yes, tell me what is 16th doubt.
Sir, you forgot in your method. I will tell, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in all squares, first two squares, circle in inside, sir. Third square only, circle is line outside and inside, sir.
My pattern is slowly the circle is moving right. From here it is moving right, it went here. From here it is moving right, it went here. And from there it will go to outside the square. So slowly from left to right it is moving. That's it. So going to the next part, that is part 5. Directions for question number 21 to 25. There are three problem figures followed by a question mark for the fourth one. There exists a relationship between the first two problem figures. So first find the relationship between first two. A similar relationship should exist between third and fourth. So whatever relation is found between first and two, same relation should be seen in third and fourth. Select one figure from the answer figures which replace the question mark and second the serial number. This is called analogy based questions. You have to analyze the relationship between first two and apply the same relation on third and fourth to get the fourth answer. So 21st one. Yes, what is the relationship between the first and second one? That is, first let us find the number of sides for the polygon, that is 3, and here it became 5. That means you are getting plus 2, right? And here 4 sides are there and we want plus 2, so you want a 6-sided polygon. So option A is not having 6 sides, option B is not having 6 sides, and option D is having, I think, 7 sides. Everything is eliminated, only C is left. And one more observation is, after increasing 2 sides, so it should be shaded in the interior, so it is also shaded in the interior, so option C is correct. Next, 22nd one. Second. What is the relationship between first and second? Okay, so triangle shape is not changed. Triangle is triangle only. It did not become square or pentagon, etc., but it is repeated 2 times. So circle should be as it is and repeating 2 times. So option C is wrong because different figures are there. Option D also wrong. Next, in option A and B, 2 circles are there. But which one to choose? Option A or option B? We have to choose option B, not A. Why? Because in this pattern, the triangles are not touching each other. So they are forming 2 layers. Similarly, in option B, they are not touching each other. Option B will be the correct answer. And 23rd one. Yes, 23rd. What is the relationship between the outer figure? The outer figure is as it is. So we want the outer figure to be a pentagon as it is. Now what about the inner figure? So first of all, there is no inner figure, but here 5-sided polygon became 3-sided polygon. That means 2 sides are getting decreased. I'm sorry, this is 4. 4-sided polygon is becoming 3-sided polygon. That means one side is getting decreased. So here 5-sided polygon should become 5 minus 1, 4. So inside a pentagon, we want a square or any quadrilateral. So it is option B. So inside the pentagon, we have a quadrilateral which is having 4 sides. 24th one. Yes, 24th. What is the pattern that they are following? So here First of all, the change is the unshaded dots are becoming shaded dots. Now here also unshaded dots are going to become shaded dots. But here what we can do is option A we can eliminate, option, yeah, only one is getting eliminated. And so this pattern is giving to the center dot. So the center dot should give the reverse order. That means same pattern dots and they should be filled dots. That is in option C. So same diagonal pattern we want. Same diagonal pattern and it should be shaded. So the opposite way. 25. Last question in this part. Yes, 25th one. So what is the pattern we observed between first and second? So in the complete interior, we have a dot. So dot position is not changing. So in the complete interior, we want dot. So everywhere dot is there. So nothing is eliminated. And let us take after the dot, whatever is there, the figure is going completely out. Okay. So after the dot, we have a square here. Square should go completely out. So square is in which options? It is in the complete exterior part. Okay. In option A may be correct, B may be correct, but C and D are wrong. Why? Because we want the square completely outside. And then next, after the square, we have the circle. After the square, we have the circle. Circle should be the immediate next figure after the dot. So here after the square, after the dot, we have the, I'm sorry, no, the second layer is becoming the inner layer. So this is wrong. The pattern is after the dot, the second layer we have to take that became close to the dot. Now similarly, the second layer is here, the second layer is triangle. Triangle should become close to the dot. So that is seen in option A. It's not B. So B is correct answer. So how the figures are getting changed, the layers, first layer, second layer, third layer, same thing we have to apply in the third one, we get answer A. So students, doubts in this part, you can keep your hand raising. B Varshini, what is your doubt? B Varshini,
Yes, sir.
what is your doubt?
Sir, 24th one, why can't it can be B?
Why can't it be B? See, diagonal can be in both ways possible. This way is one diagonal possible and this way also one diagonal possible. So in the figure, they are clearly talking about this pattern. So that pattern is giving rise to one dot. So whenever one dot is given reverse way, you want this pattern, not this pattern. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Karthik? Yes, Karthik?
Sir, my doubt is clarified, sir.
Okay. Vihan? Vihan?
Sir,
Yes, what is your doubt?
sir, 22 question.
22, yes.
Sir, why not A, sir?
Why not A? Why? Because in this figure, are the triangles touching each other at the corner or any place?
No, sir.
That's why they should not touch. So it is option B. Rutvik? Rutvik?
Sir, 22, sir.
22, I just explained. The figures should not touch each other. Option B. Nishika? See, meanwhile, while I am explaining to other student, if your doubt gets clarified, you can lower your hand. Nishika, tell me.
21.
21. 21 is very simple. Three-sided polygon is becoming five-sided polygon. So how many sides are increasing, Nishika?
Sir, 2 sides.
That means 4 plus 2 should become 6 sides. So six-sided polygon only there in option C. Aditi,
Sir, sir, in 21st question, why the answer can't be B?
Just now I was explaining to Nishika the same pattern. 3 became 5, so 4 should become 6. Six-sided polygon is C only.
So how?
Why? How? First and second, how the change is happening? Two sides are increasing. So third figure also two sides should increase. 4 plus 2 should be 6. Why you are keeping 4 sides only? Vilochan,
Sir, I have two doubts.
tell me.
Sir, in Minimax 14 question is D, sir.
Forget about minimum. You have any doubt in this? Tell me.
Sir, 24th one.
Yes, 24th. Tell me what is your doubt?
Second dot is colored, sir. Sir, after is two, sir, not colored. Opposite means, sir, this first two dots opposite diagonal is B, na, sir.
No, ma, one thing is clear that if shading is there, it's going away. If shading should is not there, we have to introduce the shading. That's it. So here shading is not there. We want the shaded or the colored dot. So option A is eliminated. Now B, C, D. So this diagonal is giving rise to a central dot. So central dot should give rise to the diagonal. That's it. Shanvit,
Sir,
yes.
sir, you explain again 23 question.
23rd one. Yes. See here. Uh, the outer figure is having four sides and the inner figure is having three sides. So what is happening? One side is getting decreased, right?
Yes, sir.
So here, the five sides we have to subtract one. It is four sides. So inside a five-sided polygon, we want four-sided polygon is seen in option B, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, all the questions I explained already. So we are going to the next part. So remaining students, I was explaining to the other students second time. Then you have to listen and any your doubts are cleared, then you can lower your hand. So part 6. Directions 26 to 30. One part of the square and the other one is among the figures A, B, C, D. Find out the figure which completes the square. Encircle the serial number. That is completing the geometrical figure. But here only about square they are not asking, not triangle or circle. So we have to complete the square. In order to complete the square, which part we have to attach, that we have to check and choose that option in order to complete the square. So 26th one. So I can see that none of the options are matching with this 26th one. We are going with E for this because no option is matching. And 27th one, 27th one, we want it to be like that. And this, so this pattern is seen in option A. So here the question figure is bigger and the answer figures are given smaller. So same proportionate way you can see. So don't think that the size is different. If there are two options you are getting, one side is exactly matching the size and another one is not matching the size, then you can go for the one which is having exact size. But here the answer figures are not in proportion to the question figure. The question figure is given bigger and the answer figures are given somewhat smaller. So you can only check the shape. So the same shape is in option A. Next 28th and 29th will take. Yes, 28th one. So just try to complete the square. So this part is seen in option A and 29th one. So to complete the square, you can draw like this and you can see this pattern seen in option A, no, B. The same shape is there in option B. So don't give priority to the size, only shape you can see because question figure is given somewhat big. And 30. Last question in this part. Yes, try to complete the square. Yes, this pattern is there in option A wrong, B also wrong. Why? Because B is not going to the corner. and option C is correct. So students, doubts in this, you can raise your hand. Tanush, what is your doubt?
26th question.
Tanush,
Sir, in 26th question.
20?
6th.
26. None of the options are matching, right?
Sir, but most approximation.
Which one?
Sir, option A.
Why option A? To complete the square, we want this shape, right? You want this shape. See, you are thinking about the base also. If you attach the base, it won't become a square, it will become a rectangle. See, if you attach the option A, base will be increased, right?
Yes.
Base will be increased. So this will become a rectangle. So already the length and breadth are given the same length and breadth are given same. So if you again increase this length of the breadth, then it is going to be a rectangle. So we have to get the completion here itself. Here itself we have to complete this part. If it is there, we have to choose, but it is not there. So E. Okay, Tanush.
Yes, sir.
Nishika. Nishika, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Yes.
sir, why not 29 option C?
Why see this is not filled now? So you can see this pattern. You can see this pattern. Here it is going to the corner, but this is not going to the corner here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chidrupa. Chidrupa.
Sir, 29 C, sir.
29th. You want C. Why C? C is
Sir,
wrong.
20, sir, C also correct, sir.
Wrong. C. Why? Because
Sir, size is small, sir, on option B.
just a second. If you attach C here, okay. Now you can try to complete the square like this. So here, is it going to the corner or some part is missing?
Sir, some part is missing.
So we want to go exactly to the corner. Option B, we have to choose the same.
Sir, but the size is small, sir.
So that's what I'm saying, ma. The question figure and the answer figures are not in proportion. You give importance to shape when they are not in proportion. Okay, exactly same size we can see. Suppose suppose a question figure and answer figures are given in the same size, then you can check the exact same size. But the answer figures are somewhat smaller that you can see in every question. You see
Okay, sir.
this one missed part and this part. Do you think that they are having same shape?
Yes, sir.
The size is decreased, right?
Yes, sir.
Cyber then, cyber then.
Sir, 26th.
26th. Yes. What do you want?
Sir, sir, some of the part is, sir, option A also correct na, sir?
Yeah, that's what I was saying to Tanush also. If you attach A, so the base will be increased. So it's no longer be a square, it will become a rectangle. Already the sides are equal here and you are increasing the one side. So it's not going to be a square. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Going to the next part now. That is part 7. Is part 7, 31 to 35. There are 4 figures ABCD. Out of these 4 figures, 3 figures are similar and but one is different. So we have to find the odd one out. So which one is different from the others and why it is different? So see this one, two lines, one line, 3 lines, 3 lines. So in option ABC, they are matching the number of lines. But coming to option D, there are 4 lines here and there are 3 lines here not matching. So the odd one out is option D. So every other option they are equal in number, but option D they are different. 32. 32. Parallel lines, parallel lines, parallel lines, but here intersecting lines. So it is going to be option D. Now 33 and 34. 33, polygon, polygon, polygon. But this is not a polygon. Why? Because polygon definition is simple closed figure bounded by line segments. With two line segments, we cannot prepare a polygon. Minimum number of line segments required to fill a polygon is 3. So option C, it is not a polygon. And 34, circle, circle, triangle, triangle, square, square. But here it is triangle and this is square. So odd one out is B. So last question in this part, 35th one. Yes, 35th. Small, medium, large. Small, medium, large. Small, medium, large. But all are having same size. Option B. So students, doubts in this, you can raise a hand. Shanvit, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Shanvit.
sir, 35th, why can't E, sir?
Why do you think option B is different? No. When you are having the different option, you can choose odd one out that one only. Only in option B, all are having same size, but all the
Sir,
others they are having different sizes.
sir, A and D same, sir.
Let it be same, no problem. But they're having different sizes or not.
Yes, sir.
Vilochan, Vilochan, what is your doubt?
Sir, in previous part, sir.
Previous part you can ask me in the institute. Charvika,
Sir, in previous part, sir.
are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, in 31 question,
Yes,
sir, can
31.
you explain?
Come again. You count the number of lines. Here, how many lines are there?
Sir, 2.
Here,
Sir, 2.
matching or not equal.
Sir, equal.
So option A, B, C, you can see that they're having equal number of lines, but option D, different number of lines are there. Okay.
Sir, oh, okay, sir.
So going to the next part now, that is part 8. As part 8, go through the directions 36 to 40. There is a given problem figure. There are 4 answer figures A, B, C, D. You have to find out the answer figure which is similar to the given problem figure. So similarity, very, very simple. 36 to 1, it is same in option A. Next, 37th one. So clearly it is seen in option C, and 38th one, option B, and 39th one, option C. So similarity is very simple. I'm even skipping your doubts also. We'll go to the next part once this is done. So just identifying exactly the similar figure. 40. It is exactly seen in option D. Going to the next part now. Part 9, let us go through the directions. 41 to 45, there are three problem figures followed by a question mark for the fourth one. There exists a relationship between the first two problem figures. A similar relationship should be existing between the third and fourth. So again, analogy they are asking. 41. Is 41st question. So what is the relationship between the first two? So they are coming closer and they are overlapping with each other in this portion. So the circle should come towards each other and overlap with each other like this. So it is seen in option B. And 42. So what you can see this is the outer figure is remaining as it is, but all the inner figures are getting deleted. So here also the same thing. The outer figure should be as it is, and inner figure, all of them should be deleted. So it is seen in option A. And going to 43rd one. So what happened here? That is, this is a four-sided polygon. We are subtracting one side, it became three-sided polygon, and it is repeated two times. That means subtract the number of sides by one and then repeat it two times. Here five sides are there. Subtract one side, you are going to get four-sided polygon, and you have to repeat it two times. So it is seen in option C. Next, 44 and 45. Is 44th, what is the relationship between first two? So triangle is going inside and the circle is coming outside. They're exchanging their places and touching each other. Similarly, the triangle should go out and the square should come inside and they touch each other. Square inside, triangle outside. That is seen in option B. And last question in this part. Forty-fifth one. Yes, what is the relationship between first and second? So two figures became three figures and the line is as it is. So here two figures should become three figures and the line should be as it is. So that is seen in option. And one more thing, here lines are not given. That means zero lines. Zero lines became one line. That means one line increased. Here one line is there and we have to increase that line. That will become two lines. So it is there in option B. So students, doubts in this part, you can raise your hand. I'll clarify. Hansvika, what is your doubt, ma'am? Tanush, what is your doubt?
Sir, I have doubt in 35th.
Previous part you can ask me in the institute. This part you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Nishant? Nishant, you have any doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
44, sir.
44th one. See, circle is inside, it is going outside. Triangle is outside, it is coming inside. That means they are exchanging their places or not? Out to in and into out. So similarly, the square is coming inside and the triangle is going outside. So it is option B, right?
Sir, square is
Yes, square is.
the line.
I hope you understood they are exchanging their places.
Yes, sir.
Ritvik, what is your doubt? Ritvik, what is your doubt?
Sir, mistakenly.
Okay. Sarish, what is your doubt? Saurish?
Sir, 43.
43. See how many lines, how many sides are there for the square?
Sir, 4.
4. You subtract 1. Will it become 3?
Yes, sir.
That means three-sided polygons are repeated 2 times, right?
Yes, sir.
Now here in pentagon, how many sides are there?
5.
You subtract 1. It will become 4, right?
Yes, sir.
The four-sided polygon should be repeating 2 times. It is seen in option A. Okay?
Sir, C, sir.
I'm sorry, C. Now going to the next part, that is part 10, last part in this mental ability section. Yes, part 10. Directions for question number 46 to 50. One part of the square and the other one is among the figures A, B, C, D. Find out the figure which completes the square. So again completing the square. Okay. So 46th one. So to complete the square, you try to draw the square like this. So which one exactly matching? Here also the answer figures are given somewhat smaller proportion to the question figure. So size difference is okay, but you have to find the same shape as it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, option A is matching, and the other options are not matching the exact proportion. 47th one and 48. Yes, try to complete the square by drawing. So we can go with a horizontal line and a vertical line. So this is seen in option A. And 48th one, 48th one. Let's go with a horizontal line till here, and this we can go till here, and we can connect like this. So this pattern is not there in A, and I think they are not having same shape in B, but almost similar shape in C and D. B will be most appropriate, but the shape is completely changed. Okay, I'm going with E. Shape is completely changed here. And 49th one. 49th one, try to draw the square. It is seen in option A. And last question in mental ability. Try to complete the square here, and it is seen in option C. So students, doubts in this, you can raise a hand. Jaivan, Jaivan, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes,
sir, in 47th question.
yes, 47th question.
Sir, in 47th question, option is not there, sir.
Why, ma?
Sir, that upside arrow have to be somewhat slant, sir.
Yes, but going with the most appropriate one, because they are straight lines only, not curved ones. Here I have deleted the correct answer because the curved ones are completely out of shape. But the straight lines you can take the most appropriate one we can choose. Here curve is there, and here clearly we can say this is wrong, but clearly we can say this is wrong. The most appropriate one you go for always.
Sir, A is also wrong, sir. Here, downside C, sir, in square. You kept
Yeah,
line.
I understood what you're saying. So this is the complete the slantness, right?
Yes, sir.
So, Jayant, I'll tell you one thing. This type of errors might be there in while they're printing the memory-based questions in textbook, but the final exam will getting the proportions also exactly same. Okay.
Mm. Sir, in
Vihan?
Sir,
Yes. What is your doubt?
sir, in 46th question,
Yes.
sir, why not C?
Why not C? Yeah, C also almost similar to A. So, but C, I can see this part is somewhat bigger than this part. You can see the difference between them.
Yes, sir.
That is the only reason I go with A.
Okay, sir.
Now, mental ability is done. We are going with language. We'll try to complete one or two passages till we have 20 minutes time. So we're going to start language. So mental ability, still you have any doubts left, you can ask me in the institute. So we're going with language now. Yes, section 3, language, and the first passage will take it. (76 to 90). So the directions are: read the following passages carefully and answer the questions given below them. So passage number 1. First, let us go through the passage. The family sat down at the table and began to talk about summer holidays. That means summer holidays are just completed or they are going through summer holidays. They sat down at the table and they are starting to talk about the summer holidays. They had to decide a place to visit during the vacation. That means it is still going on. They are planning for it. Okay. They had to decide a place to visit during their vacation. So in the summer holidays, which place they have to go? Okay, that is a discussion they are taking. Should they go to their village? One option is going to the village or to a hill station. So two options they have, either going to their village or to a hill station. The parents prefer the village while the children wish to go to the hill station. So as usually parents think that about the safety and everything, they thought that going to the village. But children are excited for any adventures. They want to go for hill station. So after a few moments of discussion, the elders decided to visit both the places. Oh, good. So they took the decision to visit both the places, village as well as hill station. First, they shall go to the village. Okay, the first way they are going to the village for a week. They will spend a week, about a week there, and they stay at the hill station for the remaining days. So how many days remaining? That many remaining days they will be going to the hill station. And for the first time, the family should be together during holidays. Okay, for the first time, what does it mean? So from the childhood of the children, maybe the parents are busy in their work, okay, doing their own work. They are not getting the full family time. That means if mother is there, father is busy in work. If father is there, mother is busy in work. If both are free, children are at school. So something happened. So the complete family is not together. For the first time, they will be together during the holidays. The children were happy with the holiday plan. So finally, they are happy. Now, this is a simple passage. So, what is their plan for the summer holidays? Let us try to answer the questions now. 76 and 77, let us take. Yes, 76th one. Why were children happy? Because a hill station was included in their holiday plan. Yeah, maybe correct, because children wanted to go to hill station. But let us go through the other options. Because a visit to their village was excluded from their holiday plan. No, it is not excluded. The holiday plan, it is there. Because their choice is prevailed. No, actually, their choice prevailing means they want to go to only hill station, not village. So this is not the answer. Because they were going all alone to the hill station? No. So the correct answer is A, because the hill station was included in their holiday plan. The village also there, hill station also there. That's why they are happy. Hill station is included. And 77, the final plan was to visit their village, wrong. A hill station, wrong. Their village as well as a hill station, yes, correct. Their hometown, wrong. Option C is correct. And going with the next two questions, let's take 78th one. '78th question. The final decision was made by boys, girls, women, and elders. So, as usually, parents will take the decision, that is elders. Now, 79 and 80 we will take. Okay, 79th one. They decided first to go to their village and stay for. So in village they want to spend for a week. We read that in the passage. So 79th one is B. And 80. The purpose for which the family sat down at the table was to. So why they sat at the table? What is the reason? Decide a plan to visit during the vacation. Yes, this may be correct, but let us go through the other options. BCD. Educate the children how to carry articles during a visit to hill station. No. Decide the date when they should start their journey. About the date, they are not discussing at all. Option C. Tell the children that they visit a hill station during this vacation. No, they are not saying the children they have taken the decision. They are taking the decision along with the children. So option A. Together they sat at the table to discuss the place to visit the vacation. Option A. So students, doubts in this passage, very simple passage and simple answers. Doubts here, you can raise your hand. Ramlikit, what is your doubt? Ramlikit, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, it will touching, sir.
Vihan?
Sir,
Yes, Vihan, what is your doubt?
sir, I have two doubts, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, what is the meaning of hill station and expression?
Hill station means, see, there is a very large mountain, okay? But at the top, you have the plain surface where people can stay. Some villages can be built like that. So, what are the hill stations? We already discussed in physical features of India, hill stations. So, the famous hill stations in India, Ooty in Tamil Nadu, right?
Ah, yes, sir.
Ooty is also known as Udagamandalam. So it's a beautiful place to visit. And also Shimla in Himachal Pradesh. Like that, some beautiful places are there at the top of the mountain. So there, the the climate and the people, their lifestyle completely different, and the climate will be like very cold out there. Okay,
Sir,
so
one more doubt, sir.
even in summer you visit there, it will be very cold. Okay,
Sir, one more doubt, sir. Sir, what is the meaning of excluded?
excluded means not including. That means removing from the list. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Vilochan, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Vilochan.
sir, vacation means?
Vacation means holidays. Aditi?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in 76th question, in
Yes.
option, what is the meaning, sir?
You're asking about option B?
Sir, C.
Because their choice prevailed. Prevailed means all the other choices are gone down, only their choice is finally decided. Is it
Sir,
correct? Is it
yes, sir.
is it correct?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Prevailing means other choices are gone down, only their choices got decided. Their choices only go to hill station, but the other choice also included no village. So their choice has not prevailed. Okay?
Okay, sir, one more doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, what is the meaning of preferred?
In, is it there in passage or questions?
Sir, in passage.
Passage, can you tell me the line, which line it is there? Yeah, here,
Fifth line.
preferred. Giving preference, that means giving priority to one option more than the other. Suppose on your birthday you want to purchase a new dress. You liked both dresses, blue one and red one. Okay. So you don't know which to purchase. Both you liked, but finally you took the blue one. That means you preferred blue one or red one.
Sir, I preferred red.
In my example, it is not your choice. Okay, I told you the example is blue. Now you tell me. Suppose if you are in dilemma, which one you will prefer, blue or red?
I will prefer blue.
Okay, blue. So preferring means giving more importance. Okay. We still have 10 minutes. Let's try to complete one more passage. Yes, passage number 2. Passage number 2. Fishing is my favorite sport. What do you mean by fishing? So they'll be sitting nearby the lake and they'll be using a hook attached to a thread and they will be giving some food for the fish. They'll throw it into the water. Fish comes and it tries to catch that food and the hook gets attached to its mouth and fish can be taken out with the thread. Very violent one. I often fish for hours without catching anything. So he's sitting there for number of hours, but still he is not getting any fish. But this does not worry me. So only he's trying. Some fishermen are unlucky. Unlucky means they are not getting fish even if they are sitting for hours and hours. So instead of catching fish, they catch old boots and rubbish. So in the lake, some old boots or whatever the garbage is thrown into the lake. Sometimes they are getting that one also, but not the fish. I am even less lucky. I am not lucky at all. I never catch anything. Even some others are getting old boots and rubbish. I'm not getting even that one also. So I never catch anything, not even old boots. After having spent whole mornings on the river, okay, it's not a lake, it's a river. So after having spent whole mornings on the river, I always go home with an empty bag. So many mornings I have spent for fishing, but I have not catch fish. You must be, you must give up fishing. You must give up fishing. Give up means leave fishing. Okay, my friends say. So I told this story to my friends. I spent many morning hours there for fishing, but I'm not catching fish. So they suggested him, you must give up. Give up means leave fishing. You don't waste time there. It's a waste of time. But they don't realize one important thing. So one important thing they are not realizing, their friends. What is that? I'm not really interested in fishing. Oh, what? Is not at all interested in fishing. I'm only interested in sitting in a boat and doing nothing at all. So this is the reason why he's not catching fish, because he's not interested in fishing actually. What he's interested in is only interested in sitting in the boat and enjoy the view. Nothing at all. That means till now he is not trying to catch the fish. That is the reason. Okay, he's just sitting in a boat and enjoying the view. That's it. That's why he's not catching the fish. Okay, now let us answer the questions. 81 and 82. Fishing is the writer's favorite sport as he always catch fish? No. Finds it a funny sport? No. Enjoys doing nothing while sitting in a boat? Yes, it mentioned there. Collects old boats? No. Option C is correct. 82. Some fishermen are unlucky because why are they unlucky? They never catch a fish? No. Fishing is not their favorite sport. They fish for hours together. Sometimes they catch old boots and rubbish instead of fish. So why are they said unlucky in the passage? They are catching some rubbish instead of fish. That's why they said unlucky. And 83. What does writer carry when he goes home from the river? So from the river, while he is going home, what he is carrying? He's carrying an empty bag because he's not catching fish. Empty bag is mentioned in the passage. And last two questions in this passage. After that, can end this session. Yes, 84 and 85. Very simple passage and simple questions. Who says you must give up fishing? So who told that phrase? Writers, friends. That is option D. And 85. Who is not interested in fishing? The writer is not at all interested in fishing. He is only interested in sitting the boat and enjoying the view. So doubts in this passage, you can raise your hand. Saivardhan, what is your doubt? Saivardhan? Saivardhan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me what is your doubt.
Sir, rubbish means?
Rubbish means useless things. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Suppose the children are shouting in the class and teacher says, stop rubbish. That means don't talk unnecessary things, concentrate on your subject. Okay? Rubbish
Okay,
means
sir.
useless things. Aditi. Aditi.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, fishing is my favorite sport. Fishing is also a sport, sir.
Yes, it is also considered as a sport.
Sir, why, sir? Fishing is we only sit
There are
and
there are some places where fishing is conducted as a sport and they give prizes also. Vilochan. Vilochan.
sir, sir, rubbish means
Rubbish, I already told Saivardhan. Can you tell me what is the meaning I said for rubbish?
sir.
Yeah, I was explaining to Saivardhan. You are not listening.
Sir, I don't understand, sir. That.
Useless things. Useless things are called rubbish.
Okay, sir.
Vihan. Vihan, what is your doubt?
Sir, in 84th question,
Yes.
sir, do not, sir, 84, not sir, 82.
In 82. Yes, tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, do not understood, sir, in D question. Sir, C option.
They fish for hours together. Because they are fishing for hours, they said unlucky in the passage? No. Why are they said unlucky in the passage? Because instead of fish, they are catching old books and rubbish, old boots and rubbish. That's why they said unlucky. In the passage is clearly given. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chidrupa, what is your doubt? Chidrupa?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in 85th question, writer's friend also not interested in fishing, sir.
Who is not interested in fishing? Okay. So
Sir,
it's
writer's friend also, sir.
not about the friends. Friends suggested the writer, don't go for fishing, it's a waste of time. But I will show in the passage. See what he said. I am, I am not really interested in fishing. Who said this? Writer or writer's friends?
Sir, writer said, but writer's friend only say must give up fishing, sir.
See, writer's friends may be interested in fishing, we don't know. But they suggested the writer, don't go for fishing because you are wasting time. That doesn't mean that their friends are not interested in fishing. Maybe they are interested in fishing because some of them may be catching fish. But they suggested the writer, don't go for fishing.
Sir, then why did they say, sir?
See, somebody is suggesting that you're wasting time, don't go for that. That means they are not, it doesn't mean that they are not interested. They may be interested, it is a different matter. But who is not interested in this passage? The writer is not interested. Because it's clearly mentioned, I'm not at all interested in fishing. I only enjoy the view by sitting in the boat. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that's it, students. So we have completed the mental ability discussion and two passages from the language. And in the evening, we'll complete the remaining passages and arithmetic also. Thank you for joining. You may leave the class now and start getting ready for school.